Riwruok mar ohelni ma pacho ka koriwore kod sirikand kaonti ma Baringo biro bedo kod romo mar keto mwandu jumani e boma ma Kabarnet. Romono mandalo ariyo mabiro timore tich ang'wen kod tich abich biro kelo kanyakla jotelo mag kembe, jolos mwandu kod rawere mabiro bedo kod thuolo mar somo paro kendo bedo gi ng'eyo mar loso mwandu. Gavana ma Baringo Benjamin Cheboy wacho ni nyisruok e romono biro konyo jogo machako ohala miyo gi mijing'o mar tayo ohelni ma bende gitimo.
Wanafanya kwa business. Tabiri wenyewe tutakuja kujionea.
The summit is a joint activity carried out by both the Chamber of Commerce and Baringo County Government, specifically the Department of Cooperatives, ICT, and those that are in charge of digital economy. We are also partnering with digital hubs that are mounted in all our TVET centers in this county. Exhibitors from various businesses will showcase solutions to modern-day challenges in the business ecosystems. During the two-day event, 300 youth, about or over, will be trained both from the business environment and from our TVET institutions from within the county on various skills, including embracing digital innovation in business.
I want to tell the youth of this county that the idea they have is more important than the money they are looking for. When we promote that idea to come out, it is going to be very important and will grow their business very well.